applied to clean skin, and I like to apply this mask in an exfoliating manner. So I'm gonna rub it on my face in circular motion to begin with, make it thick, and this is good to go as close as possible under the eyes. Completely cover your face with the mask.
Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now my skin is feeling so good right now. It's feeling really smooth and soft. What I did today, I gave myself a facial. I use this amazing facial mask that I created in my kitchen. This mask have my face looking good, feeling good, and I also get an amazing glow from this mask. It's a mask that can help to remove hyperpigmentation from the skin. It can also tighten and firm the skin, and guess what? It's good for exfoliating the skin. So if you're interested to see how I made this, if you're looking for the recipe, you want to try it, follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe, and at the end I'll share some tips on how best to use this on. And take a look at what I have here. Here I have some oatmeal. And I like to use the old-fashioned oatmeal. Use whatever oats you have. And oats help to get rid of excess oil from the skin. It's good for large pores, help to clean them out, get rid of dead skin cells. It's great for oily skin. And it's also good to tighten and firm the skin. So we're going to place a 1/4 cup of the oatmeal in the blender. Pour this in. And we're going to cover and we're going to blend to a powder. Now after blending, let's pour this out. And you can choose to blend and keep in your refrigerator for up to 6 months in an airtight container. Now my next ingredient, take a look. Here I have a banana, and banana is very hydrating to the skin. It will also clear pigmentation from the skin. It's an amazing ingredient to use with the oatmeal, since the oatmeal is going to exfoliate and the banana is going to hydrate and clear pigmentation. We're using only a half of a medium banana. So let's cut our banana in 2 halves. And now let's peel the banana. Once the banana is peeled, I'm going to chop it in small pieces for easier blending. Now we're reaching for the blender. We're going to add our banana to the blender. Before we blend, take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have lemon, and lemon contains a vitamin C, which will help to clear the skin of pigmentation, lighten and brighten dull, rough looking skin. For our lemon, we're only using some lemon zest. We're going to zest about a teaspoon of lemon zest right in the blender along with the banana. That's about good. Next, I'm going to reach for some rose water, and rose water is hydrating to the skin. So we're going to use about 2 tablespoons to start with of rose water. Pour that in, and now we're going to cover and we're going to blend. So here in the blender we have a half a medium banana, we have 2 tablespoons of rose water, and we have 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Now we're going to cover this and we're going to blend. Now after blending, take a look. We have banana, rose water, and lemon zest. And now, oh, and it smells amazing. We're going to reach back for our oatmeal, and we're going to scoop the oatmeal in our blender. Pour this in. Now for this recipe, you need to blend the oatmeal separately. You do not need to add the oatmeal before blending. You need it to be in powdered form before you add it to the banana mixture. And now we're going to cover the second time. and we're going to blend. Now after blending, take a look. Let's pour this in a bowl so you could see it. Here you have your banana oatmeal facial mask. Now this is good to use on the skin as is, but if you want more skin brightening ingredient, you can go ahead and add some turmeric powder to this. Okay, now let's reach for our storage jar, and we're gonna pour this in. The oatmeal is very absorbent, so when you make yours, if it's too thick, add a little bit more rose water to the mixture. And here it is. It is now ready to use. Store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. And you can use this every day, or you can use it at least 2 to 3 times per week on the skin. Now let me go on the other side and show you how best to use this on your skin.
To use the mask, you want to be generous with it. So you're going to take about a tablespoon and you're going to apply it on your face. Apply it to clean skin. And I like to apply this mask in an exfoliating manner. So I'm going to rub it on my face in circular motion to begin with. Make it thick. And this is good to go as close as possible under the eyes. Completely cover your face with the mask.
Now, once you apply the mask on your skin, you're going to let it sit on the skin for about 30 minutes. The mask is going to dry on the skin. It's going to tighten the skin while it is drying. You're going to feel the tightening sensation. After 30 minutes, you're going to rinse off, preferably with some cold water. Pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare products. Now, here's another way that you can use the mask. If you're short on time, you're going to take the mask and you're going to apply it on your skin. And you're going to use your hands and rub it like I'm showing here in circular motion. So you're exfoliating the skin with this because it do have a bit of a granule from the oatmeal. So you exfoliate for about 3 minutes or so. And then you can let it sit for another 5 minutes on the skin, or you can rinse it off right away. If you're using the exfoliating process, you need to exfoliate for at least 3 minutes, okay? Rinse off with cold water, pat dry the skin, and apply your favorite skincare products. Now, this mask is good to use every day, especially if you're using the quick method, and at least 2 to 3 times per week for the deep treatment. So go ahead, give it a go, whip it up, and then come back and leave